Hello my friends, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have a ton of fun things to share with you. First, I'm going to show you the limited items. When I say limited, that means that once it's gone forever. So just a heads up, if you like it, get it quick because again, once it's gone forever. We have 3 different embellishment kits, and I'm not going to go through each one. You can go to the website. We have a brown embellishment kit that comes with seam binding. It comes with brown twine, brown bows, lots of fun things at an amazing price. This one is the yellow, and it has seam binding, and it has twine, it has felt flowers, has some embellishments. It has a little stripe ribbon, lots of fun yummies in that one. Then we have pink. Now, of course, pink is my favorite. We have a pink gingham ribbon. We have a thin pink ribbon. We have some flower gems in there. We have some pink buttons, some twine, lots of yummies in that one. Go check those out. Once they're gone forever. So if you need to stock up, get them quick. We're also releasing from our card kits at one time, the Love Life pattern paper pad. Now this one's really fun. It's the one with the foxes. Yeah, isn't it cute? And it's again limited also because once our pattern paper pads sell out, we do not reorder them. So if you see a pattern paper pad, say that a couple times fast, pattern paper pad. If you see one that you really love, make sure you stock up on it because again, we do not reprint those. Once they're gone forever. We also have a very, very limited, and Ken said these are extra limited, so okay, February 2018 kits. Lately we've been running out and we've literally been selling out our months. This month did not sell out, so it was almost a year ago, and it's the Wonder collection. So this is what the color patterns look like. And it's a really fun one. It has wonder, it has fun dots, it has sailboats in it, lots of yummies in it. It has different ribbons, it has some cork stickers, it has epoxy stars, it has some fun wood embellishments, it has of course a stamp set, pattern paper, all the good stuff. Go check it out. Very, very limited on that one. Okay, now, are you ready for this? It is time to announce 2 new colors to the color palette at the Stamps of Life. I'm really excited about this. You have no idea how hard it is to release new colors because we have to, first of all, we all have to agree because we're a team and I do, you know, even though I'm the boss and technically I kind of sign the paychecks, I really don't because it's all electronic, but pretend I sign the paychecks. I should be in charge, but in all honesty, I hire people to tell me what to do because I'm not the expert. No one's an expert. I am the most expert, but whatever. So everybody has their expertise at our company. And so we all sit down and we go, okay, what colors should we come out with next? Here's our color palette. What colors are missing? And we've released so far 4 new colors. These are the next 2. So now we're up to 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 30 colors, at least 30 colors. So yay, I know, right? And the best part about it is another pink. We needed another pink. Here it is. It is called Razzleberry, and isn't it gorgeous? Now, of course, there's cardstock. Of course, there's felt. Of course, there's an ink pad and a refill for the ink pad, and it's so yummy. We also have, and don't worry, I'm going to show you the other pinks to match so you can see. We also have Pool. Pool is the new blue. It's an added blue, so it's not going to take the place of a blue, and there's the blue pieces for that one. Now, let me show you the other blues because you're like, oh, that looks like blueberry. Well, there's blueberry. Totally different, right? Totally different. You're like, oh, that looks like sky. Oh, no, there's sky. Get my drift? Oh, it looks like ocean. Nope, there's ocean. Oh, it looks like sea glass. Nope, there's sea glass. So it really, really complements well, doesn't it? This is the new one, and isn't it gorgeous? I love it. Blue. That is Pool. Kind of looks like my pool. No, I'm kidding. Okay, now let's look at the pink. So here's the Razzleberry, and you're like, oh, that looks like guava. No, there's guava. Okay. And you're like, oh, maybe it looks like candy. Oh, nope, not like candy. And you're like, oh, maybe it looks like bubblegum. Oh, definitely doesn't look like bubblegum, right? And you're like, well, it kind of looks like grape. Well, let's pull out grape because I didn't think to pull out grape because I wanted you to see, oh, well, here's Pixie, so you can just see the difference because here's our purples. So there's Pixie. And then let's find grape. Grape is under all this stuff here. Okay, here's grape. And there's grape. So now you can really see that it is great to go with these. I mean, it's funny, bubblegum doesn't even look pink anymore when it's next to these. But it is. So isn't that awesome? I know, raspberry, yum. Now, last but not least, we also have a die set that came in our kit club called Love Life. And we have a few extra of these left, and there's what it looks like cut out, just the words that you're looking at, Love Life. Just a heads up, it's available if you're not in the kit club. But you need to join the kit club because then you wouldn't have to buy that. Okay, lots of fun things. Cardstock is hard to get in stock. So if you see it on the website, get it quick because it goes fast and then we have to reorder it and get it in and blah, 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 package it and send it to Utah, and it takes a while. So just a heads up. So much fun. I know. Look at all this. Isn't it awesome? Club members, of course, you get the club discount, 15 or 20%, depending on which club you're in. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.